Hello friends, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on types of error. In Unit 1, Fundamentals of Measurement of Subject Electrical Measurement or Instrumentation. In the last 3 videos, we see the MCQs based on characteristics of instrument and effects of electric current. This topic we see in the detail and the MCQs based on this we see in the last 3 videos. Link of these videos is available in the description box. So now here we start. Types of error. Here see, first is gross error, second is systematic error, third is instrumental error, fourth is environmental error. Also we see the what is observational error, random error, and so on. So first of all we see the no measurement is accurate, मीन्स कोणतंही मेजरमेंट हे ॲक्युरेट नसतं. एरर्स ऑकर बिकॉज ऑफ आणि त्यामध्ये एरर्स का होतात त्याची कारणे आपण बघणार आहोत. तर फर्स्ट आहे पॅरालॅक्स एरर, मीन्स इनकरेक्टली सॅटिंग द मेजरमेंट. सेकंड इज कॅलिब्रेशन एरर, इफ द स्केल इज नॉट ॲक्युरेटली ड्रॉन. थर्ड इज झिरो एरर, if the device does not have a zero or is not correctly set to zero. Fourth is damage, if the device is damaged or faulty. Fifth is limit of reading of the measurement device. The measurement can only be as accurate as the smallest unit of measurement of the device. So this is the errors occurs because of. After this we see the MCQs. So first question is, which are the basic types of error? Options are A is gross error, B is systematic error, C is random error, and D is all of above. So you all know answer yes, D all of above. Means all three are the basic error. Gross error, systematic error, and random error. These are the basic types of error. So here see types of errors. Basically 3 types of errors are studied. Gross error, systematic errors, and random errors. These are the basic types of error. This is very most important question. Basic errors are gross error, systematic error, and random error. Then we see the next question. Which of the following is caused by careless handling? Options are A is systematic error, B is gross error, C is random error, and D is none of above. So the correct answer is option E, B, gross error. Means which of the following caused by careless handling? So our answer is option B, gross error. We see the explanation of this question. Gross error mostly due to lack of knowledge, judgment, and care on the part of the experiment. That is, gross error is caused by careless handling. This is very important word, careless handling. So our answer is gross error. So we see the gross error means what in detail. So here see gross errors. Gross errors mainly covers the human mistake in reading instruments and recording and calculating measurement results. Example is, due to oversight, the read of temperature as 31.5 degree while the actual reading may be 21.5 degree. So this is about the gross error. Here see gross errors may be of any amount and then their mathematical analysis is impossible. Then they are avoided by adopting two means. First is great care is must in reading and recording the data. 2. 3 or even more reading should be taken for the quantity under measurement. So question number 3 is, system will be error free if you remove all systematic error. So this statement is true or false. So this statement is false. Why? We see the explanation. Here see, random errors will remain in a system even if we remove all systematic errors. Random errors are also known as residual error. So the system will be error free if you remove all systematic error. This statement is false. Next question is, which of the following error is caused by poor calibration of the instrument? Options are A is gross error, B is systematic error, C is random error, and D is precision error. So The correct answer is option B, systematic error. So we see the explanation of this. Systematic error is caused by the poor calibration of instrument. This question is also very important. Next question is, how is systematic error are eliminated? Options are: A is frequent measurement, B is replacement of instrument, C is finding mean of reading, and D is finding variance of reading. Means how is systematic error are eliminated? So correct answer is option B, replacement of instrument. Systematic errors are eliminated. So now here we see the explanation of this. The possible way of eliminating systematic error is the replacement of instruments. Systematic errors are caused by poor instrument calibration. Next question. So first of all we see the systematic errors means what. So here see systematic errors classified into three categories. First is environmental error, second is first is instrumental error, second is environmental error, and third is observational error. So these are the systematic errors. Question asks on this means which are the systematic errors. So our answer is instrumental errors, environmental errors, and observational errors. These are the systematic errors. So we see here systematic and random errors. So systematic errors, observational errors, environmental errors, and instrumental errors. So here see the systematic errors what type and the random error what type. So after this we see the question number 6. Which of the following is an instrumental error? Options are: A is Earth's curvature, B is mistake in rod handling, C is mistake in recording, and D is error due to slugging bubbles. So the correct answer is option D, error due to slugging bubble. Means which of the following is an instrumental error? So error due to slugging bubble, this is an instrumental error. So we see the explanation of this. Earth's curvature is a natural error. Mistake in rod handling, mistakes in recording are personal errors. Error due to slugging bubble is an instrumental error. So this is the instrumental error. So we see the instrumental errors means what? These errors arises due to three main reasons. First is due to inherent shortcoming in the instrument. Example, if the spring used in permanent magnet instrument has become weak, then instrument will always read high. Errors may caused because of friction, hysteresis, or even gear backlash. Second is due to misuse of the instruments. 3. Due to loading effect of instruments. Then we see the instrument error, inherent shortcomings of instruments, and misuse of instruments. So first is inherent shortcoming of instruments. First is these errors are caused due to the mechanical structure of measuring instruments. Second is these errors may cause the instrument to read too low or too high. Misuse of instrument. First is improper handling of instruments cause permanent damage to the instrument. For example, overloading, overheating, failure to adjust the zero use of high resistance lead, etc. So the next is what is environmental errors? This is very important topic. Environmental error means what? These errors are due to condition external to the measuring device, including condition in the or surrounding the instrument. These may be effect of temperature, pressure, humidity, dust, vibrations, or of external magnetic or electrostatic field. These are the environmental errors. This topic is very important. What is environmental error? These points or these topics are important for the SSC JEE exam. So after this we see the observational error means what? There are many sources of observational errors. First is parallax, that is apparent displacement when the line of vision is not normal to the scale. Second is inaccurate estimate of average reading. Third is wrong scale reading and wrong recording the data. Fourth is incorrect conversion of unit between consecutive reading. So this is the graph of this instrument reading, offset error, slope of outlier error, actual quantity. Here in graph, full line shows the systematic error in non-linear instrument, while broken line shows response of an ideal instrument without error. So, we see the question number 10. Which of the following is not a fundamental quantity? Options are A is length, B is angle, C is time, and D is luminous intensity. So, option B is correct answer, means angle. Angle is not a fundamental quantity. Why? We see this why. Explanation is that derived units are those expressed in terms of fundamental units. Primary or fundamental units cannot be expressed in terms of other unit. Now, question number 11 is random errors in a measurement system are due to. Options are A is environmental changes, B is use of uncalibrated instrument, C is poor cabling practices, D is unpredictable effect. So, the correct answer is option D, unpredictable effect, means random errors in a measurement system are due to unpredictable effect. So here we see what is random errors. The quantity being measured is affected by many happening in the universe. We are aware for the sum of the factors influencing the measurement, but about the rest we are unaware. The errors caused by happening or disturbances about which we are unaware are random errors. It is also known as residual error. Means random error is also known as the residual error. MCQ question also asks on this, means random errors means what? So our answer is random errors means residual error, or residual error means random error. So our last question is zero error is an indication of instrumental error. True or false? So this statement is true. Means zero error is an indication of instrumental error. It's true. We see the explanation of this. Zero error refers to a false indication of an instrument when the true value is zero, and zero error can be treated as an instrumental error. So this is the last question. I hope you like this video. Thank you. In the next video, we see the next topic.